Hi Trojans, today I want to talk to you a little bit about peer advising. You have an opportunity to connect with students who have been on campus and know about resources, can help you plan a study schedule if you need. Maybe you are struggling with your Banner self-service and you just can't get your classes to fit correctly. Well, our peer advisors are here to help, and you schedule them using TrojanConnect just like most things on campus. So once you get into your TrojanConnect, either through your D2L page, your MyDSU, or the app, you'll just click on Schedule an Appointment. Remember, in the app, you have to click on Appointments and then Schedule an Appointment. But you click on Schedule an Appointment, and then you would pick the Academic Support. You'll pick Peer Advising, and then you'll tell them why you would like to meet. I think I'll need some study strategies help today. You can tell if you'd like to meet them virtually or in the LEC. And then you'll have a list of staff members here. You click Next, and you can see their available appointments. Here, maybe 3 o'clock works for me. When I click Next, this new screen will appear. Remember that this means that my appointment has not yet been confirmed, but it tells me who I'm meeting with, why I'm meeting them, where I am, and what time. I can even add some comments about study strategies maybe I'd like to help with. I would like to help with setting examples on how to study for my midterm or how to take notes. And then I click on Confirm Appointment. Once you click Confirm, then you will see that success, your appointment has been created. So it all starts from your Schedule an Appointment, then selecting Academic Support, and selecting Peer Advising. Make sure you utilize these great resources. They're here to help you be successful.